Over 80% of drivers have no idea they can use these simple, money-saving car hacks. And that's exactly why so many people end up paying for repairs they never actually needed. But here's what they don't tell you. One of these easy tricks can save you thousands by helping prevent engine damage before it even starts. Most drivers go their entire lives without using these tips, and chances are you might be one of them. Before you hand over another dollar to a mechanic, here are 7 smart car hacks you've probably never heard of. Don't skip a single one. Each tip can save you time and serious money. Let's start with hack number 7, the hidden backup keyhole. Your key fob dies while you're out. The battery is totally drained, and suddenly you're locked out of your own car. Most drivers panic right here, assuming they need a locksmith or roadside assistance. But here's what they don't tell you. Nearly every modern car with keyless entry still has a hidden physical keyhole on the driver's door. Take a close look at the door handle. There's usually a small cap or cover you can pry off with your fingernail or the edge of the key. Underneath that cover is a traditional keyhole made for emergencies. That small metal key attached to your fob, it's not just for show, it's your backup. Most people toss it in a drawer and forget it exists, even though it was designed for this exact moment. Remove the cover, insert the key, and you're back inside within seconds. No locksmith, no expensive service call, no standing in a parking lot wondering what to do. It's been there the whole time, hiding in plain sight. And here's the kicker. This keyhole still works even if your car's battery is completely dead. Electronics can fail, but this mechanical backup doesn't. Hack number 6. Using a marker on car scratches. That ugly scratch on your bumper or door catches your eye every single time. It's small, but it's impossible to ignore. A body shop will quote $200 to $400 for paintwork, and spending that much on a cosmetic flaw just doesn't feel worth it. But here's the trick. Grab a permanent marker that closely matches your car's color. Black car, black marker, dark blue. A navy shade works best. Lightly fill in the scratch, give it a minute to dry, then gently buff the area with a microfiber cloth. The ink fills the damaged line and makes it far less noticeable from a normal viewing distance. It won't pass close inspection, and it's not a permanent repair, but it's a surprisingly effective temporary fix that costs under $2 and takes less than a minute. What most people don't realize is this simple trick can delay a real repair for months, sometimes even longer. It helps seal the scratch, reduces the chance of rust, and keeps your car looking presentable without draining your wallet. Keeping a color-matched marker in your glove box makes quick touch-ups after parking lot scrapes effortless. Hack number 5. The built-in car fridge. You're on a road trip, and the drinks in your cup holder are already warming up. You wish you'd brought a cooler, but the car is packed and there's nowhere to put one. Most drivers don't realize they're already sitting next to a built-in cooling feature. Here's the secret. The glove box in front of the passenger seat. In many cars, it's actually temperature controlled. Take a look inside. You'll often find a small vent connected directly to the air conditioning system. Turn on the AC and cold air flows straight into the glove compartment, turning it into a mini fridge. It's great for keeping drinks chilled, stopping chocolate from melting, or storing medications that need to stay cool. And here's the kicker. It's not just for beverages. You can keep snacks fresher, stash a small ice pack for emergencies, or cool down sunglasses so they're not scorching when you put them on. It's like having a personal cooler that takes up zero cargo space. The cooling power is stronger than most people expect. On hot days, the glove box can be 20 to 30 degrees cooler than the rest of the cabin. Once road trippers and parents discover this feature, they rarely stop using it. Hack number 4. Vaseline on headlights. Your headlights are starting to look cloudy and yellow. Oxidation builds up over time, making your car look older and cutting down your visibility at night. Headlight restoration kits run $20 to $30, and professional fixes cost even more. But here's what most drivers miss. After cleaning your headlights with toothpaste or a plastic polish, grab some petroleum jelly or Vaseline. Spread a thin, even layer over the lens, then buff it in with a clean cloth. The Vaseline forms a protective seal over the plastic, slowing down future oxidation. It repels moisture, helps block UV exposure, and keeps headlights looking clear for much longer than usual. A single application can last for months, depending on weather and how often you wash your car. When the shine starts to fade, just reapply. One inexpensive jar can protect your headlights for years. What they don't tell you is this same trick works on more than just headlights. It can be used on chrome trim, rubber door seals, and even windshield wipers. Petroleum jelly conditions rubber, prevents drying and cracking, and acts as a low-cost, multi-purpose car care solution. Hack number 3, transmission. Override for a dead battery. Your battery is dead, completely drained. You need to push the car out of a parking space or load it onto a tow truck. But there's a problem. The shifter won't come out of park. It's electronically locked, and without power, the car won't budge. Most drivers don't realize this, but every automatic transmission includes a manual override release. It's usually a small slot or button near the gear selector, often hidden under a removable cover. Check around the base of the shifter console. You'll find a tiny opening labeled something like Shift Lock or Shift Lock Release. Use a flathead screwdriver, your key, or even a pen, and press down into that slot. While holding it down, you can move the shifter from park into neutral. Instantly, the car can roll freely. You can push it, tow it, or reposition it without needing to jump the battery first. And here's the kicker. This built-in feature has saved countless drivers from expensive tow bills and awkward parking lot situations. It's included in nearly every automatic vehicle made within the last 2 decades. Hack number 2, WD-40 for door hinges. Your car door squeals every time you open it. That sharp creaking noise announces you before you even step out. It's irritating, embarrassing, and makes your car sound way older than it really is. But here's the fix. Grab a can of WD-40 and apply a light spray directly onto the door hinges. Open and close the door a few times to work it in, and the noise fades almost instantly. WD-40 pushes out moisture, breaks down rust and dirt, and lubricates the metal contact points. One quick application can keep your doors silent for months. No more flinching every time you open the door. What most people don't realize is that squeaky hinges aren't just annoying, they're a warning sign. Metal rubbing without lubrication slowly wears down hinge pins and can lead to real damage over time. A quick spray every few months prevents that wear and keeps everything moving smoothly. It's simple preventative maintenance that costs almost nothing and takes under a minute. Keep a can in your trunk and you'll be surprised how often it saves the day. Hack number 1, heated side mirrors. It's raining hard or freezing outside. Your side mirrors are covered in water, fog, or ice, and you can barely see out of them. You keep wiping them down by hand, only for them to fog up again minutes later. Most drivers don't realize this, but many modern vehicles come with heated side mirrors. The control is usually a button on the climate panel, often shared with the rear window defroster. Press the rear defrost button, and both the back glass and the side mirrors warm up at the same time. The heating elements melt ice, clear fog, and evaporate water in seconds. No more leaning out the window or pulling over just to see. This feature is a lifesaver on icy mornings when mirrors are frozen solid and during rainy drives when visibility is already limited. One button press keeps your mirrors clear for the entire trip. And here's the kicker. Heated mirrors aren't just a convenience, they're a real safety feature. Clear mirrors mean better blind spot awareness, which helps prevent accidents when conditions are at their worst. What most people don't realize is how common this feature actually is. Many sedans and SUVs from the past decade include it as standard equipment. Check your owner's manual or look for the defrost icon on your controls. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you the most. If this video just helped you avoid costly trips to the mechanic or showed you how to handle car hacks yourself, make sure to subscribe for more money-saving tips that get straight to the point. Your wallet will definitely thank you, and this is just the beginning. There are plenty more tricks mechanics don't want you to know, but that can save you thousands fast. Click on this next video, you won't regret it, and you'll pick up tips you'll use for years.